Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is visual thinking. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of understanding and ideation. It got the following characteristics. It allows graphically displaying any idea, problem, process, project, business model, or basically any thought you have. Start of the precept that the human brain has a better understanding of images than with any other language. It got the following motto: do not count, show. This process is complementary to the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology, but it's also used by independently. To correct develop an exercise with visual thinking, it's not necessary to know how to draw in a traditional analog way, but you can use digital tools or vector software of your choice. The entire design thinking 24/7 project is developed with visual thinking. Okay, so when we talk about visual thinking, there are different components that we have to keep in mind. The first thing when you start developing a project with visual thinking is to have clear what is the objective. If you are gonna work on a problematic that is already specified, or what is the kind of development that you want to make. You want to make a presentation, you want to make a video. The important thing here is that you can follow and people understand what you are doing. Eh, After that, you start developing different alternatives. If you can make something that is complex, make it easy to understand. So every time that you see our videos, you always see a step by step. We show a pictogram and a word that support that thought. After that, it's very important to understand that you have to develop your own graphic line for your development. It's also really important that you have the format of the paper of the digital thinking that you are doing. You can do it analog, it means by pencil or pen, or by vector, it means by computer. So it's up to you. If you don't know how to develop your own graphic line, please check our video here in the channel because we teach you how to make your own graphic line, and that is extremely important for any project with visual thinking. After that, it's very important that you show a simulated process. It means that you are gonna take your user step by step. It means like a sequence. You have a visual narrative. I mean, you don't show everything in the same moment, you show it step by step like you are doing here in this video. After that, it's very important that you can conceptualize. Conceptualize means that you are thinking in an idea and you are showing that idea. If you are developing something with visual thinking, is well done if people understand what you are saying and what you are talking. That is extremely important. That's how you can see if what you are doing is right or not. Finally, it's very important that for any development that you make, you always keep in mind that you have to analyze and research any kind of situation. You cannot talk about something if you don't know. But it's extremely important always to show the visual narrative of the development that you want to show. If people understand it, it means that is well done. As a conclusion, we can say that visual thinking allows us to understand any idea, project, or business model in a simple and straightforward way. Be detailed in the description if it's necessary to use keywords to address the other words, and the structure of the process is extremely important. The key in the development of this process is to be very detailed and specify and make a description that is put in each stage of the process. So visual thinking allows us to show any complex idea in a simple way. It's very important that you always put a keyword in front of a pictogram that will allow you to express very simply that information like we're doing here right now. Remember, if you don't know how to make a graphic line, please check the video. It's extremely important to develop any project with visual thinking. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking and agile methodology channel in the whole YouTube platform. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.